Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dots and word mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is minus 16, B is minus 8, C is 8 and D is 16. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. As you can see, here we will discuss two rules, word mass and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to say power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out which is coming first. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the Bodmas and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have two brackets. One is this one and other one is this one. So first we have, because we have two numbers in this bracket, so we will solve this part first. Minus 4 raised to power 2 divided by, and this raised to power 2 as it is, and this one becomes 4, right? And here we will give the reference 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Now, move forward. Step number 2 is you have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So now we have two number which has the power. One is 4 raised to power 2 and other one is minus 2 raised to power 2. Here is the key point is this is not minus 4 raised to power 2. This is 4 raised to power 2 because we have minus sign outside the 4. And in this part, we have minus 2 raised to power 2 because we use the bracket. So here we will write, first we will solve this one, 4 raised to power 2, which is equals to 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16. And divided by, and this part right now, we will write as it is. And again, multiply by 5, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 4 raised to power 2 is basically 16, right? Now, we have another power which is minus 2 raised to power 2. So this is the key point, which is someone can do mistake like minus sign is outside the 4 raised to power 2. And but here we have the bracket sign, so we have minus 2 raised to power 2. So we will write here minus 16 divided by, and minus 2 raised to power 2 means 4 because we have minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, which is equals to 4. So here we will write 4 and this one multiply with another 4. So now we have, now move forward, we have solved exponent part. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have 16 divided by 4. We will divide this part which is minus 4, 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. Multiply by 4, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 16 divided by, we have here two terms which are multiplying each other. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is minus 16. So the answer of this expression is minus 16, not 16, because we have minus sign outside this expression. So if you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and word math method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.